The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Bracken County, south central Claremont County, southwestern Brown County until 5 p.m. At 4:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Neville, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Augusta, Higginsport, Neville, Shiloh, Wolcott, Willow Grove, Bradford, Foster, Johnsville, Rock Springs, Utopia, Chatham, Stony Point, and NWR Highway at State Route 19. Utopia, Stony Point, and NWR Highway at State Route 19.